This plaque of appreciation is hereby presented to Shutters Guild for sharing their time and expertise in all the program and activities of Computer Society of Filipinos International Incorporated, given this 28th of February 2014, Elite International School, Riyadh, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Signed by the Secretary, yours Natalia Lamores, and yours truly. Any representative from Shutters Guild, please?
We would like to call the President, Mr. Catalino Bainon, together with all the members and officers of Shutters Guild.
Yes, thank you for gracing the occasion. And again, I would like to call on the Vice President for Membership and Dignity Education to join us on the stage. Leo Garito, Madam Memory Stilosa. Again, this plaque of appreciation is hereby presented to Saria S. Khatib, TFC correspondent, for sharing your time and expertise not only in this occasion but in previous occasions and programs of Computer Society for Filipinos. Signed by Secretary 2014 and President for 2014. Any representative from TFC correspondence?
Yes, on behalf of TFC, thank you very much. And we will proceed. Same text is given. Yes, same text is given to plaque of appreciation is here represented to Comsoville Badminton Club. And we have the representative from CBC.
CBC for promoting camaraderie among members of Computer Society for Filipinos International Incorporated through this board. So the founding president, please come over together with your advisors, Dr. Junoga and Eckhart Gayeta.
Yes, and also members who are here with us.
Members who are here, and Madam Susan, as member of CBC, please.
Thank you, CBC, and once again, congratulations.
And this is something that's first. This plaque of appreciation is hereby presented to Vistaland International Marketing Incorporated for their support and assistance extended to Computer Society for Filipinos, given this 28th of February 2014 at Elite International School, Riyadh, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. And please welcome the marketing specialist, Ray Randolph, Australia. Please give them a round of applause. And also, Sir Alex, please join us. We'd like also to ask our public relation officer to join us for their invitation, for inviting them over. Please, Sir, please. And of course, we'd like to recognize also Sir Bong Makatuno, Operation Director in Saudi Arabia of Vistaland.
Once again, thank you very much, Vistaland. Now, the same plaque of appreciation is given to for helping and sharing their time and expertise in all the programs and activities of Computer Society of Filipinos International Incorporated. And this plaque is given to
Those of Comsoville. Let's welcome the President of Those of Comsoville, Toastmaster Samuel Aman. And Those council members, you can join the president.
Yes, we'd like also to request all the members of Council
All the members of council who are around, please join the president. Those masters are in command.
Thank you, DOC, and congratulations.